In this situation, suppose that I'm going to organize a 10-year high school class reunion, and there are three possible options, including visiting the old school and teachers, organizing a party, or holding a one-day trip. I believe that visiting the old school and teachers would be the best choice for several reasons. To commence with, going back to school brings back many special memories. Indeed, it helps everyone remember the good times we had together and feel connected again. Moreover, meeting our old teachers shows respect and gratitude. In other words, it is a meaningful way to thank them for everything they did for us. In contrast, organizing a party is not a perfect option because it can be expensive, and some classmates may not enjoy loud music or dancing. Similarly, I think that a one-day trip should not be chosen because it takes more time to plan, and not everyone may be able to join. All in all, based on the above ideas, I suppose that visiting the old school and teachers would be the best solution in this situation.